Hello everyone. Today I'll be journaling my trades January 30th, 2023. I'll be looking at what opportunities I missed and my experience today and what can I do to improve. But first, let's take a look at the prior day chart. Usually these charts prior day give us some kind of ideas what could happen the next day. As we can see here, the trend seems to be going up, and at this point I don't see any kind of range kind of pattern, so the trend is up, so that's something good to know. The 90 MA and 20 MA is underneath the price action, which that's a good sign of going up. But let's take a look at the 5-minute chart, see what the 5 minutes going to give us. This 5-minute chart is a pre-market early morning today. And as we can see, the trend has been going down. And then as we get close to the opening of the market, we see that the trend is going up. So overall, at least for the first hour or so, I would think that it probably is going to continue this trend. But we're going to wait and see what actually is going to happen. This is my first trade, and I bought it here at 9:39.13. As we can see, the 5 minutes candles seems to be big, and the trend is going up. And also the 2 minutes, as we can see in here, is like a bull flag is breaking out, so that was a good place to buy. And also 1 minute seems to be good, so everything's going up. That's why I decided to buy. Now I sold it at 9:39.28. Let's go there. Here I felt that it's not going up. It doesn't have enough energy to go up. That's why I sold it. And it just gave me like a couple cents, went in my favor. So it was a positive trade. I'm glad. But let's take a look at it and see if I would have let it go, what would have happened. Yeah, as we can see, it really didn't go that far. So as far as the timing, I think it was okay. And again, I was happy that it was positive for me. Here is my second trade. I got into the trade at 948.06, exactly here. The price was 404.56. So everything looked good. It seems to be the trend going up for a 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute also. And we can see the 9 and 20 underneath the price action. So that's what I thought is a good place to buy it. And I thought it's going to go to this line, which is high of this morning. So I kept it until 948.26. Let's go there. I sold it over here. I thought that is a good place to sell it, but let's go a little bit further, see what happened. Did I sell it at the right time or not? It seems to me that it was going down against me, so I think as far as the timing, I sold it in the right time. I lost a little bit of money in here, but that's okay. That's part of the game. This is the third trade I made this morning. I got into it at 10:02.04. Let's go there. Yeah, I bought it here. The price was 404.77. It looked good to me. The trend was up 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute. So I decided to buy a contract. And I sold it at 10:02.54. Let's go there, see what happened. Yeah, I sold it over here and the price 404.75. It was a little bit negative going against me, but let's see what happens if I would have let it go for a longer time. Yeah, I think I sold it in the right time. It appears that it's going down, so the timing was right. Yeah, I believe this was a good opportunity that I missed. I usually mention missed opportunity the times that I kind of plan to buy it, and not that, after the fact. At the time that I want to buy it, it makes sense to me that it might go to, in my favor and all that. And this was the case for this morning. If you look at this, the 5 minutes, it doesn't seem to be a good place to buy. But the 2 minutes got my interest because of the fact that the that's a 9 EMA still underneath the price action. When I say underneath of it is because the price has gone up in a good amount. And also the price action is above the 20 and VWAP. So 2 minutes was very promising to me. And the reason was promising was that the fact that if you look at it here, you can see here all these candles, price action, it wants to go underneath the 9, but it just doesn't go underneath. It seems to be has energy to go up. That's why, and over here too, comes to here, and then it decides to go up. So I thought this is a really good opportunity to buy, but I didn't do it. This is another thing that I have to really look into it. I've seen recently good opportunities that I do not buy, even though I plan it. I have to look into that and really do a kind of root cause analysis on that, why I'm not getting in. Hopefully, in the future videos, I'm going to be doing that because there are good opportunities that I can take advantage of it. But let's go forward. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it really went up, and the trend was going up very strong. Maybe there were times that it would come down a little bit with pressure and all. But I think if I'm thinking that is not able to break the 9 and come down, then it should have the potential to go up, and maybe my stop loss, I'll be a little bit more tolerance as far as that. And this was a really good going up, which I missed that opportunity. Let's go further, see what happens. This is like a 9:45.48, and very soon it's going to be 9:46. So the new candle is going to start very soon. See what happens to the new candle, what the new candle is going to do. Even the new candle is doing good so far. But I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Let's No, that one is going strong too. So overall, wow, the next one is going up too. So that was really a good opportunity that I missed. And I hope I can take advantage of those in the future. My today's experience. There are many reasons that we let our emotions to do the trading for us. One of the reasons that happened to me today was that I was close to making big mistakes was that I was looking at the P&L, which is the profit and loss. It really, I lost my concentration by going and looking at it. My past experience has shown me that if I just at the end of the day go and take a look at it, usually I do much better than if I go and do it after each trade. Because what happened by going and looking at the profit and loss, what happens is we go and if we are positive, if we are negative, based on, either of those, we get kind of into emotions. If we are positive, we're going to feel good, that's kind of pleasure gets into us. And then if we do uh, become like a red, is a pain. So emotions get involved. When emotions get involved, then I'm not the trader. My emotions are the trader, and my decision and actions are based on my emotions. And I know, for better that I should not do that. And that always causes me problem. So that was what I learned today. What are your thoughts? Please leave me a comment. Today was a red day. I had two reds and one green, but it was a good day. Thank you for joining.